All right, you guys. So now we're just going to take a very high level approach. So maybe how has PPC, like, is it an important part of the business, or like, has it like really changed people's businesses, or is it just kind of a nice add-on? Let's make the case for why this is important, because we all believe it, but
dude, to make the case, sorry, go ahead.
Maybe for the unconvinced yet.
Well,
or like just like to show like how this could really change your business if you do it right.
Yeah, dude. So to make the case, you need a case. So case study. Somebody went through our program. She was doing $27K a month. She didn't even get to the AMS. She just went through Sean's stuff on the PPC. I think she what was her PPC at before?
So you want me to go through the case study real quick?
I think the PPC sales like doubled or maybe tripled, but it wasn't that much. But the overall organic increased so much more after. And that's kind of the big thing, is it's like she went from 27K to I think 60K in less than 2 months. But that wasn't all PPC sales that came in. I think it was maybe only half of that big jump was PPC sales, or a quarter of it, but the rest was like a jump in the organic.
It was the visibility.
That's why it's so important, is because like you increase your sales by $10,000 per month on the PPC, but all of a sudden, for some reason, your overall sales goes up by 25, not 10K. And you can't track that perfectly, but that's where the huge kind of gold is.
That is what I try to really get to people. It's like the loss leader. Like you can't even measure the potential of you get increased organic sales, which give you more profit, which allow you to expand to more products, which then, like you could just like literally, it's all about math. I did it on a spreadsheet where I showed how if my ROI was 367% compared to 100%, and my lead time was shorter than everybody else. And I showed the difference, how in this 180 days, I went from 0 to like 3.2 million in profit versus which most people go from 0 to 50,000 profit. And it was literally just tweaks in the numbers, and like that seems so small.
That's amazing.
But so like this, you can't measure this stuff, and it increases your feedback loop.
It just the
Amazon flywheel. The Amazon flywheel.
You gotta do it.
Yeah, and then not only that, now you get more reviews too, and then when you have more reviews, you get more.
Dude, it's
the horse.
It's the Amazon way.
What is that? Oh no, that's the management book, right?
John Rossman, the guy who launched the platform, he talks about it, man. He talks about ranking, and it's just a flywheel, man. You got to get the PPC going, because it's going to get your whole business going.
Awesome.